will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Shortmax app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click here on settings, it's going to take you to next step here. So just waiting to open with you like this. Then you go down here. So then you click here on apps. Then come to apps list here. And here you're looking for Shortmax app here. Just click on search. So then here add Shortmax. So just add it here. Then you click here on Shortmax. So when you just click on it here, it's going to take you to next step. So when you click here on Shortmax, it's going to take you to this list here. Click on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage here. So then come to storage list, click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.